Hey, but see, your reaction time. Look at mine. That's what hurt me too.
I know I need to get faster. I need to get better. But it's new. It's something new.
I got to run all the way.
Eighth mile, Knoxville Dragway. First time on the street glide. This gonna be fun. All right, who's going first? Man, this gonna be so fun.
Well, it still makes to a 5-stop. They dyno before he changed it. Dyno is 1
Oh wow. 8th mile track right there. New build Zulu right there. We're about to see what it does, man.
I'm on the run with you.
You want to run? You want?
590 and then the finish line. It gives you your final mile per hour, what you ran, and everything on your ticket when you go around.
All right. So what we got? What we got, guys? We got my motorcycle, we got Harold's motorcycle, we got Ted's motorcycle, and we are all as green as a dollar bill trying to learn how to do this. But we're gonna do it anyway. We letting the sport bike go down first. What's your name, man?
Jeremy. Yeah. One bike needs flame. Now, here, look, we got water down. If you're not doing a burnout, just come in around the water.
I got you. All right, guys, Tez is going next.
I'm gonna make more than one race.
Okay, you go, then I'll go after you. Okay. All right. Hey, Tez, what's wrong with that? Super slow.
It's all right.
Nah, that ain't all right. All right, thanks.
You're looking back.
Thank you. I'd like to at least get down to the 7s. That's hard to do. We're gonna do it though. All right. All right, guys. That first one was horrible. We're going back to the pits. We're gonna get it again. I was worried about the shutdown time. I'm not worried now. Man, that was slow. Hey, I let off too. What'd you do?
Where'd you slip at, boy?
Hey, I did 8.5.
You did 8.5?
Yeah, what'd you do?
I did 10.4.
Huh?
10.4.
What?
10.4.
I did an 8.
But see, your reaction time. Look at mine. That's what hurt me too.
Oh, I did an 8.
Oh no, your reaction point 0.04. 0.84.
Oh, you did a 10.4. I did an 8.4. You did what?
9.1.
9.1. Okay, let's do it again.
Oh, I'm going to.
Hey, that was fun. All right, guys, I don't feel so bad the first time out, and I lifted because I didn't know about the whole thing. But I'm ready to go again. Hey, you want to line up with me? Yeah. reaction time stinks. Thank you, man. All right. First time, don't really think I did that good of a job. So I'm trying to think, thank you. Trying to see, I got a thumbs up from that guy. I don't know what I did. I know I need to get faster, I need to get better. But it's new, it's something new. Hold on, I'm gonna go see what Taz run. Oh, he's gone. Harold, what'd you do?
Reaction time was .061, 8.5. I ain't gonna drop because I was at 9.1.
Thank you, man. All right. You race Taz and I race that BMW?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
You do the BMW?
Yeah, and you race Taz. I got it to the 7s. Well, I know you're going to beat me because you're a whole second faster, but I got it to the 7s. That BMW roasted me, but he's supposed to, right? It's a 1,000 with some work done. That's a 1,000 making 205 at the rear wheel. Man, that wasn't a good launch. I could feel it wasn't a good launch. I don't think I got in the 7s that time, but I'm getting more comfortable with it. All right, thank you, man. 8.074. What'd you do?
9 something. I skipped the, I missed the gear.
Oh, what'd you do?
9.9, that was my best one.
Did you beat him?
No.
I want to get down at least into the low 7s or the mid 7s. So, what'd you think about it?
Yeah.
Okay.
For first time? Yeah.
First time, and what do you got? You got a 103, right?
Yeah, I got a 103.
All right, yeah.
Stop. My second run was a 10.05.
10.05.
And my last one was a 9.9.
9. Okay, you broke it to the 9.
Yeah.
Good stuff. The 103. Stock. And ain't none of us prepared for this. He got everything in his tour pack. He got everything in his saddlebags. I got everything in my saddlebags. None of us prepared for this. All right, Harold, what you do?
My best one was a 8.5.
8.5.
At 85 miles an hour. My best reaction was .061.
Okay, where you see the reaction on it?
Right there, the second number.
Yeah, that second number.
7.4. Nah, it's 7.4.
Oh, yeah, that's that other guy. That's another guy.
Yeah, you was 8.0.
Yeah, he moved me up too.
Okay. 8.0, 91 miles per hour.
Here's what he got on me. That BMW 6.9.
Well, I had a chance. Hey, that was my chance to get him, wasn't it? Okay.
Oh yeah, that was me. That is your last ticket.
Yeah, no, that's the second one, yeah. So you got an 8.5, yeah?
Yeah, I think I got 8.5.
Okay. And then I got 7.9. Let's get the other one out of here. Okay, and this one I got 8.032. Almost 7. Almost 7. Well, I'm gonna end this video here at the drag track. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.